Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use and access Sora. So from your Clever page, you scroll down to Library and Resources, and you click on Sora by Overdrive, which looks like, the icon looks like a little blue astronaut. And the home page in Sora opens up to this with a list of books. First, you will have to choose the drop down arrow, and you would choose Add a Library, and you would choose District of Columbia Public Schools. You see this for me because I'm already signed into Sora. Once you sign in, you will no longer have to sign in, and you use your same credentials for Clever to sign in. Now, you can use Sora to read for your own reading pleasures. Now, you can see there's over 200 new electronic books. If you want to view all of them, you can click on them and it'll show you all of the 200 books that have been added. Let's go back to the home page on Explore. They also show you the books that are available now. Or you can explore all subjects to click on this. I know you see this, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Most of the students like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, so I'll click on this option. And we know it's available. If it wasn't available, you can put yourself on a list or it'll say out. But let's borrow this book. So once you borrow the book, it's downloading, and we're going to pause until it finished downloading. And we're back. So once your book downloads, it'll open up to the front cover of your book. As you can see, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Now, you can use these options up at the top right corner. It operates just like an e-reader. You can see at the bottom the pages of the book. And once you click on the menu, you can see the chapters in the book. If you click on this, you can see the chapters in the book. Okay, now let's go back. Let's close our book. And if you click on your shelf, you'll see that you have borrowed Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Okay? And it'll tell you that it's due in 20 days, and it will give you reminders. You can only borrow one book at a time, but I do believe that you can go and search for other books. Now you can see now your home page will show what books you have out on loan. And it takes you back to books you might like. To explore, if you want to search other books, you click on Explore. And you can go to other books. Let's see. Dinosaur Boy. I like the front cover of that book, so I'm going to look through that book. And let's see if I can borrow it, which I doubt it. You've reached your loan limit. So before you can read another book, you have to return it. Okay? I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you will begin to use Sora to read for your own reading pleasures. I hope that this short tutorial helped you, and I would love to hear your experiences of using Sora. See you later.